Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in online on Emirates web app. Here are the detailed steps to check in online using the Emirates web app interface. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and navigate to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Then, once you get in the website, just follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account if this is your first time on Emirates, or to sign in using an existing login credentials. Now, once you have logged in, you're going to have to go ahead to locate the manage booking / check-in section. And where's that found? On the home screen, just right there in the middle screen, you will see the option labeled manage booking / login, which we have in here. So go ahead and click on this option. Now, once you do that, a new page will load, which is here prompting you to input your booking information. So all you need to do here, under retrieve a trip, enter your last name in the first field, and then in the second field enter your booking reference, which is also known as your PNR or your ticket number. Now once you fill that in, once you've entered the required details, go ahead and click on this option right here, manage booking. Not click on manage booking, rather click on the check-in button, which is here. So the manage booking is to head over to your booking session to see all your bookings and manage them from there. But once you enter your last name and you enter your booking reference, the next thing to click on is check-in. Now after your booking loads, all right, and it takes you to the check-in window, you'll be prompted, or you may be prompted, to confirm your details such as your passport information and contact details or visa details if applicable. So just ensure all the details are correct. Now on the seat selection page of the check-in details window, go ahead and review the available seats. You can click on the seat to select it, or you may just proceed with the seat assigned automatically. Now, after the seat selection, don't go ahead and review your flight details, your passenger information, and selected seat. Of course, agree to any terms and conditions if prompted. Then click the confirm check-in button once you're done. Now, once the check-in process is complete, you receive your boarding pass. So you can choose to either download the boarding pass to your device or print it for physical use. It's also optional to access boarding pass via mobile or email. So if you prefer, you can just opt to receive the boarding pass via email or save it to your mobile device for easy access at the airport. And that's it. You have successfully checked in online for your Emirates flight. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.